Before we start, please click subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content, and we'll keep you up to date as much as we can with upcoming videos. Hi and welcome to the channel. This is the second episode of Smithy's Garage. Basically today what we're going to do is get the car up on the scissor. I've got a little bit of a surprise, and I'm going to show you underneath and show you basically a bit what we've done. As you can see, we've actually fitted bypass valves to the underside of the car. There's a little bit better view. We've put the old downpipes back on so we can just test fit these and see how they perform on the car, and the results are quite phenomenal, to be honest. So we're going to have a bit of a tweak around, move stuff back and forth on the car, and probably put a second bigger fatter pipe run down the spine of the car to the back, so we've got that pure V10 noise coming out of it. Basically what we've done here is just welded them to the underside of the headers and basically cut a hole out underneath. So I'm just trying to get a little bit more light on and open them up and show you how they're going to look. This is the rear side of the car, and we're going to flatten the pipe and probably bring it out to between them two exhaust tips there, so it runs through the full. As you can see at the minute, it's got quite a thick exhaust on it from Miltech. We've got the centre section and back boxes still attached, and they're going to obviously stay on from now on. But what we're going to do is get the downpipes, the original Miltech, and probably put a thicker twin throttle body in, like what you see on the American drag cars with the twin butterfly valve setup, and obviously use a wider pipe. We didn't know whether to take it down the back of the car or run it out the sides of the car, so we had side pipes and all. We've got the key fob there, so what we are going to do is put the button right above the volume control button there. So it'll look basically like a start button by the time we finish, but it won't. It'll have ASBO or Beast Mode or whatever wrote on it. But anyway, going back to the car, these bypass valves there, you can see that they're protruding quite low down at the moment, and it's a nightmare. It is an absolute nightmare on the British speed bumps. We're catching them every 5 minutes, and it's just getting a little bit ridiculous. These bypass valves still clear a good 4 inches off the floor, but still we're getting this catching. That's how big the speed bumps are. It's not every speed bump, but it's most. And if you have a look on that bolt on the bottom, these haven't been long on the car, and you can see they're being caught every bloody 5 minutes. We're going to cause damage either to the manifolds or the turbos, so we need to sort this out like urgently. This is just test fitting. The car doesn't get used every single day, but it is one of our dailies. So if we carry on the way we're going, it's going to basically squash them, because we're having sticking problems now with the butterfly valves. It's going to absolutely squash that bore. So it's, as you close them, as you can see there, it doesn't seal properly because it's bending it out of shape. So we need to get that sorted, and hopefully we'll run a pipe to the back of the car, and we'll do a couple of videos of doing it, and we'll pull it out the back or the side or whatever plan we come up with. But we need it done urgently. But like I said, we will get the car down and we'll go from there. I'll just give Danny a bit of a shout out. This guy is spot on with his welding technique, and with the amount of heat that these generate just off the turbos, we want it basically to be a really awesome weld, because the last thing that I want to be doing is picking up butterfly valves off the road. So, but this car needs to be reliable motor over the next couple of weeks. I was going to start it up right now, but it's a pain, because if I use the normal mic, it distorts the volume because it's that deep, the bass on it. It's ridiculous. So we have tried. So we're just doing this for viewing pleasure, basically, as much as we can. and we're just trying to basically down the mics on the soundboard when we're cutting and pasting these videos. But like I said, we will get this car down and see what you think. Anyway, there's a little video of us with the GoPro on the bottom, and we're going to take it out and see what you think, see if you can come up with anything that we've missed. Right, next thing that we've got here, you're going to see the flames coming out the bottom of the car, so quite a pretty sight. We didn't open it up fully, as you know, we don't like breaking speed limits around here, so you know, I'd just give it a tink of the throttle. So just keep your eye out and see what you think. We'll go from there. Right, enjoy. Click subscribe, hit that bell icon, and we will keep you updated with our future videos. So if we can actually hit 100 subscribers, I'll do a review on the black Trans Am, the 77 that we've got, the SE.